This is a 60 amp, 150 volt solar controller, so it'll handle a lot of solar panels and a lot of batteries. And I'm currently hooking it to 1200 watts worth of solar panels in this RV and a set of lithium batteries. It also has the capability of direct loading 12 volt. So if you have 12 volt lights with 12 volt appliances, you can actually run it right off this controller. So it's I bought it on Amazon. It was a good deal. It works flawlessly.
What are all those buttons?
This is showing the voltage, but I don't have the panels hooked up. It's lithium ion. It's settable for any kind of battery you have, AGM, flooded, whatever. It has nothing coming in it because I have nothing hooked up to it right now, but I've used it before and it works really well. Actually, my batteries are a little low at 69 volts there.